ONOAYO ONO5Pro 2.0 Smart Projector Review. Powerful sound and instant setup. You set aside your evening for a relaxing movie night, but the experience quickly turns into quiet stress. Instead of sinking into the couch, you spend 40 wasted minutes wrestling with tangled HDMI cords, searching for missing adapters, and adjusting awkward furniture angles. The image on the wall stays frustratingly blurry no matter how many times you turn the manual focus ring. And here is the thing. After all that tedious effort, the tinny sound from your portable speaker barely reaches across the room, completely draining the excitement from your favorite show. That Sunday night unwinding session turns into pure technical exhaustion before the opening credits even begin to roll. Have you ever felt that exact irritation right when you just wanted to relax? When your home entertainment setup feels like a daily battle, you end up avoiding it altogether. You settle for watching thrilling blockbusters on a tiny, cramped laptop screen simply because setting up the projector feels like an overwhelming chore. Over time, that constant friction robs your family of shared moments, backyard gatherings, and weekend gaming sessions with friends. Everyone sits waiting in silence while you fiddle with warped picture corners, distorted display angles, and sluggish external media sticks that refuse to connect properly. Let me explain how this grows. Every postponed movie night chips away at the leisure time you worked hard all week to protect. You end up carrying extra mental fatigue instead of recharging your mind. The simple joy of gathering around a bright, cinematic screen gets replaced by annoyance, leaving your expensive entertainment space completely abandoned and underutilized. Then everything changed when modern home theater design simplified the entire experience into one intelligent, portable device. The ONOAYO ONO5Pro 2.0 Smart Projector steps in as a complete all-in-one entertainment hub built to remove daily friction. Don't just pick any smart movie projector. Make sure it has Vision IQ automatic calibration and baked-in Dolby audio so you never suffer tedious manual focusing and distorted, crooked pictures again. With integrated Smart TV OS 2.0, you get direct access to official licensed apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video without external streaming sticks. You simply place the compact unit on your table, turn it on, and watch crystal clear visuals calibrate effortlessly before your eyes. Imagine kicking back for a relaxing outdoor movie where every single scene looks sharp and bright on the very first try. A prominent tech editor highlighted that this compact system neatly solves brightness, audio, and streaming challenges in a single portable package. Furthermore, an organizer running a popular community film club shared that the vivid LED projection and automatic 3-second calibration made it their reliable go-to device for evening screenings with friends. The dual Dolby audio speakers easily pump out clear, room-filling sound across 540 square feet, allowing you to leave bulky external soundbars and messy cables behind. Now, let's address a fair objection calmly. While it accepts 4K source inputs, the native display output remains crisp 1080p Full HD, which still delivers rich color and deep 28,000:1 contrast for darkroom viewing. With Wi-Fi 6 speed, a dust-resistant sealed optical engine, and an 18-millisecond game mode, your entire entertainment routine becomes smoother, faster, and much more enjoyable for all your favorite media. Isn't that seamless big screen freedom exactly what your weekend downtime deserves? Here is the bottom line. You get an effortless big screen setup that turns any wall into an authentic private cinema. With thousands of happy viewers already enjoying it and a strong 4.6-star satisfaction rating, upgrading your movie nights is a practical, proven choice. If you want to simplify your home entertainment without buying separate speakers or streaming sticks, take a closer look today. You can check the current availability and genuine specifications through the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below. Take your time, explore the details, and make your next movie night truly special.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.